What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a special guest helping me cook today.
Hello, I'm Carter.
Carter, what are we cooking today?
We're cooking spaghetti.
Spaghetti. That's your favorite meal, right?
Yes.
Alright, so he's gonna be my helper today. We already have the veggies chopped up, but I'm gonna hand the torch over to him, and once I get everything going, I'm gonna let him cook the vegetables down, cook the meat, and then I'll do the noodles, and that's it. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. So what we have that we're gonna put in it is first we have some green bell peppers, some onions, and some green onions. Second, we have seasoning blend. Next, we have onion powder. And also we have garlic powder. We have 1 pound of Italian sausage. We have crushed tomatoes in here. And here we have diced tomatoes. And also we have noodles.
Then spaghetti noodles.
Spaghetti.
Alright, so before we cook that, let me see. So the first step here is going to be and what's not in the camera view is I'm going to chop up some fresh garlic also.
It's right there.
It's right there. And then I'm going to cook up some bacon. So
Yummy.
we're going to use the bacon, chop it up. Well, we're going to cook the bacon, take it off, use some of the oil or fat from the bacon to cook the sausage. Not a lot because this already has fat in it. So we're going to use those two things as our fat source. Then we're going to saute the veggies in the bacon fat. So before we add the Italian sausage, cook the bacon down, take the cooked bacon out, save some of the fat from the bacon, then cook the veggies here. I'm going to put the garlic in last because that can burn, so it don't take that long to cook. You just want to cook it down until it's translucent a little bit. And then once we have the veggies cooked, sauteed, then we're going to add in the Italian sausage and then start seasoning. So that's the plan. You ready to help? First step is to start cooking the bacon. Come on in, cameraman. All right, let's get a shot of the bacon. So we're gonna let the bacon cook down until it's ready. So it's probably gonna take about 8 to 10 minutes, maybe less. So medium-high heat. And like I said, once we cook this down, the next step is gonna be to take the cooked bacon out. Keep it right here. Take the cooked bacon out and then use some of the bacon fat to saute the veggies in. So step one, we already have the bacon cooked. We cooked that in another pan, and now we're going to add our veggies that we want to saute. So go ahead. So do not dump them in there, very slow. Don't make it splash up. Go ahead.
It's splashing up.
Go ahead.
You took your.
Go ahead. Just dump it in there.
The entire thing?
Yes, all of it. Go ahead.
That's all of it.
All right. Okay. So now this is our celery and some green onions. And then once this cooks down, I'm going to add the fresh garlic. All right, so now the veggies have cooked down for a little bit. They're a little translucent. Go ahead, get in there, man. Not like you're scared. No, not like that. Like this. Look, you're not throwing them around. You're just moving them around in the pan.
Oh.
Just like that. All right, and this is on medium-low heat. Don't want to burn it. All right, so now that's cooked down a good bit.
You burn it doesn't taste good.
Okay, so next we're gonna add some mushrooms and some fresh garlic. So one thing to note here is that mushrooms are about 90% water. So once you add them to oil, it's a good possibility they might pop. So when you put it in there, put it like that, and then you can push it down. All right. Go ahead. Go ahead. There you go. All right, now we're gonna stir the mushrooms around.
Oh, that's what you mean by popping?
Yeah. So right now we just want to let these cook for maybe 3 or 4 minutes. Let it start cooking some of that water out of them before we add our meat to it, which is the. All right, so now we have the mushrooms cooked down the way we want. Now we want to add in our Italian sausage. All right, let's go. Yep. Make sure it's in there good. All right, squeeze it from the bottom. From the bottom. All right, make sure you don't drop it in there. Let me help you.
And I'm assuming I have to tap up the sausage.
All right, there you go. All right, put that in the trash. All right, so now, yeah, just make it. That's not how I showed you how to hold that. No. Why are you trying to stab the meat? What you doing? Yeah, like this. Like this, man. Right here.
Oh, like that.
Look, you just want to break the sausage up. Just like that. Go ahead. Okay, that's good enough. So we're going to just let this marinate for a minute until it gets brown. Flip it all the way over. Can I help you?
Yes. Please.
Here, hold it, Kenny.
Okay. Why did this say 1932?
I just want to cook this until it browns all the way through. First, we're adding some
Onion powder.
Onion powder. Go ahead. Don't be scared. Go ahead. Season it up then. All right, that's enough. All right, next add garlic powder. Keep going. All right, that's enough. Okay.
And now we have seasoning.
Season and blend.
Is seasoning blend basically all the seasoning?
Yeah, with no salt in it. Hey, look, don't put it so close in there. If you put it too close in there, it's gonna all the seasoning added. So now I want to add. I like to add a little Old Bay to mine. Some Old Bay.
Is this paprika?
No, it's not paprika. This is paprika.
We're gonna add that?
Yes. Here, add some paprika to it.
What does it smell like barbecue?
Hold it up, yeah. There you go.
Can barely. It's not even coming.
It's coming out.
You can't see it.
Look.
Where did you get the paprika from? Walmart?
Paprika store.
I think it says Walmart on it.
Okay. Alright, so now we added that. Next we want to add I already added the garlic. Okay. So now we're going to mix that up. So tell me what seasons we just added.
We just added onion powder, paprika, Old Bay,
What's the last one? Start with a G.
yeah,
Garlic powder.
garlic powder, onion powder, and basically all the seasonings mixed up together.
Yep. Looking down. Then we're gonna add the diced tomatoes and the chopped tomatoes. All right, now we're adding the crushed tomatoes. Don't make it splash.
It's starting to.
Look, man. Look.
The entire
Right here.
jar?
Right here.
What?
Look, that's all you gotta do.
It's smashing up.
Add the diced tomatoes.
Okay. It just plopped in there.
And-
That actually did help.
All right, so after the
It stopped.
no, it didn't. Stop. So now we're gonna let this simmer down for about 20 minutes. All right, and then we'll check back in. In our secret ingredients, which is the bacon we cooked earlier. Go ahead. Make sure you don't put the paper towel in there. Go ahead.
Dad, if it's here, then why would it say?
Go ahead.
And the cilantro. There's a little bit of.
And some fresh cilantro.
There's a little mushroom.
That's fine. That's the same thing I just cut up.
Mhm.
All right. Then we're gonna give this a stir, and then let it simmer on low for about 20 minutes. Not really, but go ahead.
Sorry. Not on
Slow
purpose.
down. Slow down, man. Where's the fire? All right. So the spaghetti is ready now. We're still cooking the meat sauce is ready. Still cooking the noodles over here. All right. So look, this is gonna be very hot. So watch. When I take the lid off, you're gonna have condensation come off of it.
Like a
So-
whole bunch of steam. Oh my.
All right. So let's give it a good stir.
A good one.
So it's cooked now. Still looks a little watery. We'll let it cook down a little bit more. But give it a taste. Now you know it's hot. Blow on it. Blow it.
Pretty good.
That's good. All right. So we're gonna add the tomato. Gonna let the noodles finish cooking, and then we'll plate it, and you can tell me how it tastes when it's all put together. Taste test. Let me know what you think. When you cooked it.
It's good with the sauce on the bottom. It makes it taste like real spaghetti.
What fake spaghetti taste like?
They wouldn't have sauce on the bottom.
Oh. All right. Well, that's it, folks.
See you in the next episode of Cooking.